Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kisau kenro jong ususo thang auditorium kelas Sawa di Jingput Jingtem bagi sur Tynrai jengajai pendiri Riewlum nagi kat waitli ki jela nari thor bat kumjuru nagi jela than chite lami ngi kri India bat kin thup ru ikjai pendiri Riewlum ki besong haga di jela Meghalaya ya kani kata Tamasa ya tam Jingput ke baar sngi ke belas dang ka pendiri truk Julio arajar arpusan ya ke belajar kerteng kum ke National Tribal Music Festival arajar arpusan laplipat ba do menteri ketra jungok kai perthei ke sorka jela ba polling do ublalong kum kongsan haringkat kijing sa khilang jong director jong arts and culture kong ai majau bakinong tem nong put kin thup ru ikinong roi nagi jela pher kri India.
And I also request and Director Arts and Culture, Srimati I. Major, to please join us on the Nakra.
I formally declare Rasong 2025 Festival inaugurated. Thank you, Prashipur. Today, as we celebrate tribal music, let me remind each one of you that to a tribal, music is intrinsic. Music is in our DNA, and therefore we celebrate it day in and day out. There is a saying that music washes from the soul the dust of everyday living. I've just come from a function where we also celebrated the International Day Against Drug Trafficking and Addiction. A very serious topic of concern. But arriving here to the sound of the drums and the flute and the other musical instruments has a healing touch. Music is both food for the soul and therapy for the mind. I'm sure that this year the festival will be celebrated with enthusiasm. As a state government, we are proud that in the Department of Arts and Culture, which was once considered a minor department, today, just yesterday, we had our Honorable Chief Minister in our presence to inaugurate a state-of-the-art museum, which is of a global standard. Just the day after that, we have today a celebration of tribal music. Our state, many of the other states in the northeast are fairly young. Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and the rest of the northeastern states are just 50 plus. But let us not forget that we have an ancient civilization. Meghalaya is 53 years old as a state. But the geological age of the earth is called the Meghalayan age, which is 4,200 years old. And therefore, as proud inheritors of these hills, we will continue to make music. We have made rapid strides. Today, just last year, we have adopted a state anthem, one of the few states in the country to have its own anthem. I urge on all musicians to keep in mind, bear in mind that music is not just a hobby, a pastime, or a profession. It should be a passion. It should transform you into the human being you are supposed to be. And I wish the two-day festival the very best. I also would like to urge upon visitors who have come from other parts of the region and the country to enjoy the natural beauty of Meghalaya, to see for yourself how this ancient land has so much to offer, and I'm sure that if you visit one very close tourist destination like the canyon, I'm sure that will inspire you to write a song or two of your own. Thank you, Bleshibol, Ithala, Jayden.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.